punishing it.
The ruling on the Arizona law, does that speed up a possible federal, some sort of bill that deals with immigration, or does it slow it down?
Let me tell you what the Arizona debate has done is re-energized interest about fixing immigration. The people in Arizona are being overrun. The border's broken. They're dealing with illegal immigration, unlike people in South Carolina. So they decided to pass a law that would allow them to help the federal government. The law in Arizona basically was an effort by the people of Arizona to say, we want to be your partner. We're going to use our cops to find people who are here illegal, and we're going to turn them over to you, federal government. Well, the federal government said, we don't want your help. And the judge said, hey, the federal government, you can say no if you'd like, but it's an act of frustration. They were trying to create a partnership the federal government didn't want. What I want to do is try to find a way forward here in Congress, because the Arizona law has hit a legal wall now. It's going to be very difficult, I think, to sustain this law on appeal now the judge has ruled the way she's done. So we're 3 years out from the last attempt to solve immigration. Everything's gotten worse, nothing's gotten better. So I hope next year we can find a way to start with border security, sit down as Republicans and Democrats and acknowledge the obvious. We need a temporary worker program because people come here to get jobs. The American people are looking for a solution that makes sense. Let's secure the border. I'm willing, Candy, to have every American take their Social Security card and turn it into a biometric document. Put your ID on there, a fingerprint, so when you go get a job or I go get a job, we can present a Social Security card to our employer, and they can verify we are who we say we are. If we all agreed to do that as a people, you wouldn't have to look at somebody based on their accent or their background. You would have a document that's trustworthy and verifiable. I can get you a fake Social Security card by midnight. I'm willing to do the hard things. I'm willing to push my party. But at the end of the day, the Democratic Party has to be willing to push their base. And to the American people, immigration is broken and will never be fixed until we change our laws. Our laws are broken. If you want to fix immigration, allow Republicans and Democrats to get in a room and do some good old-fashioned horse trading to get this thing fixed. If we keep yelling at each other, if we keep just saying no to each other's idea, we're going to have one thing in common. We're going nowhere together.
Senator Lindsey Graham, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.